Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your OnePay account using your phone. Let's get started. First, open your OnePay account on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon or the menu icon usually in the top right corner or bottom corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down and tap on account settings or manage account. Inside the settings, look for the option that says delete account or close account. Tap on it before deleting. Make sure to withdraw any remaining balance in your account. Once the account is deleted, you won't be able to access it or recover the funds. The app will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account. It may also ask you for your password or send a one-time password OTP through SMS or email to verify your identity. Enter the OTP to confirm. After confirming, tap delete account again. Your account will be permanently deleted and all your data will be removed from OnePay. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your OnePay account on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.